In this video, we'll show you how to safely disassemble the flow control valve assembly in an ESKO model EMO variable area flow meter. Follow these steps and tips to replace O-rings and other components safely. You will need a straight screwdriver or hand drill, a 7/8 box wrench, and an Allen key or straight metal rod. First, place the top end of the valve assembly securely into the box wrench. Holding it firmly in place, insert the rod through the bottom end and turn it to unscrew the orifice retainer. This will release the orifice retainer and the small orifice inside. Next, turn the assembly over. Using a slotted screwdriver or hand drill, unscrew the spindle out of the bottom of the control valve body. Note that the valve spindle is designed not to come out of the top of the control valve body. The spindle can now be removed for O-ring replacement. When replacing O-rings, use care and avoid sharp instruments that could nick or damage the O-ring seal surface on the spindle. It's best not to cut them. Even small scratches can cause leaking. A wooden toothpick is an option for an O-ring removal tool. A small amount of grease can also help with O-ring placement and provide additional protection during assembly. Replacement O-rings and O-ring kits are available from ESKO. If you have any questions about servicing your ESKO flow meter, please contact us. We're happy to help.